Place your left hand on the Bible, raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Wesley Watende Omari Moore,
I, Wesley Watende Omari Moore,
do swear
that
I will support the Constitution
I will support the Constitution
of the United States
of the United States
and that I will be faithful
and that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
to
the state of Maryland
the state of Maryland
and support the Constitution
and
laws thereof,
and
that I will,
to
the best of my skill and judgment, diligently and faithfully, without partiality or prejudice, execute the office of Governor of Maryland, according to the Constitution and laws of this state, and that I will not, directly or indirectly, receive the profits, or any part of the profits, of any other office, during the term, of my acting, as Governor of Maryland.
As Governor of Maryland.
Congratulations, Governor Moore.